another toy review because why not? Okay, so today I have the Godzilla Island Space Godzilla. I'm at least pretty sure this is the one because of the coloring of the giant horns or spikes on his shoulders, because it's sprayed painted around there at a guess. Oh, and also he's transparent or translucent. See, you can see through his head. But so far the sculpting on the figure is pretty good. It has, I don't know what this is called, or I don't want to think about that. But it's definitely Space Godzilla, and this is stupid. This figure has been reissued like a bunch of times, and actually this figure is not that bad. I like it. They painted the crown on his head, and there's just something I want to point out. I love the way the eyes are painted. I just love it. I know that's unintentional, but I just love that. It honestly makes Space Godzilla look pretty adorable. The teeth are painted, and the tongue is painted. But still, the figure was made in 1996, or 1998. Either way, I love it. I also love the way the head is sculpted. It looks like he's happy. It looks like he's happy to destroy the city. Yeah! Also, I should tell you that he has a really long tail. I think it's longer than the SH Monster or Godzilla 1995 tail. At a guess, it's probably longer. Okay, for articulation, his head, the 360 degrees rotation, the arms, yeah, that's about it. I'm sorry, but I had to do that. Well, I actually didn't, but I just really wanted to do it. Oh yeah, and also, the tail rotates. It hurts. Probably because of the spikes. Ow! So I guess it's time for a size comparison. So here's Godzilla. Must move that mug full of pencils. Okay, so why is Godzilla taller than Space Godzilla? Okay, so this figure was released in 1994, so the other mold for it was probably scaled down, so which means Space Godzilla would have been like about that size compared to the Godzilla Island Godzilla figure. But still, they do scale okay. And for the other size comparison, we have Mogira, the Monster Arts version, and Mogira towers over Space Godzilla. That's who probably had to fight would have gone if Mogira was this tall. Which means Space Godzilla should have been this tall compared to the vinyl version, probably. Maybe if I did this do anything? So, yeah, Mogira towers over Space Godzilla. Yeah. But this is the Monster Arts version, so I haven't picked up the vinyl. I might get that someday, so So far, I love this figure. Because, well, probably because it's my first Space Godzilla figure. And plus it's a rare Godzilla figure as well. It's the Godzilla Island Space Godzilla. I think I already mentioned that. And I'm glad to have it in my collection. And, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. This is Cybergoji 2003, signing out.